Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a flash flood warning for west central Maricopa County and south central Arizona. This includes Wickenburg until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time.
Let me see if I can show up on the TV.
National Weather Service meteorologists detected flash flooding from a thunderstorm 11 miles southwest of Wickenburg, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The storm producing flash flooding will impact US 160 and US 193. Most flash flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where running water covers the roadway. Just 1 foot of flowing water can be powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. Make the smart choice, turn around and look around. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Remember, turn around and look around. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following county: Maricopa County, Arizona.
Go header.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix.
And it's going to reboot all season long.
Good, my skin looks now eliminated.
And Barney always gets the
Me now. The
I'm red on the...
Philip Proxima Service says it's Nate.
because there are
38-year-old died when her skull thin.
Alright, can you change to the weather channel?
Dale was found floating in a banker's hours. In a time when budgets are being cut for our school. Science, ooh, la-di-da. Fire.
Okay. Yeah, pretty much. Oh, press more info and then press resume.